is a grace where the heart is under fire. Another way when the walls are closing in. And when I look at the space between where I used to be and this reckoning, I know I will never be alone. There was another in the fire standing next to me. There was another in the waters holding back the seas. And should I ever need reminded of how I've been set free, there is a cross that bears the burden where another died for me. There is another in the fire. Oh, oh. All my dead left for dead beneath the waters. I'm no longer a slave to my sin anymore. And should I fall in the space between what remains of me and this reckoning, either way I won't bow to the things of this world. Oh, and I know I will never be alone. There is another in the fire standing next to me. There is another in the waters holding back the seas. And should I ever need reminded what power set me free, there is a grave that holds nobody, and now the power lives in me. There is another in the fire. Oh, there is another in the fire. Oh, and I can see the light in the darkness as the darkness bows to him, and I can hear the roar of the heavens. There's a space between what's thin, and I can feel the ground shake beneath us as the prison walls cave in. Nothing stands between us. Nothing stands between us. There is no other name but the name that is Jesus. He who was and who is and will be through it all. So come with me in the space between all the things unseen and this reckoning, and I know I will never be alone. Oh, I know I will never be alone. There'll be another in the fire standing next to me. There'll be another in the waters holding back the seas. And should I ever need reminded how good you've been to me, I count the joy come every battle, 'cause I know that's where you'll be. And I can see the light in the darkness as the darkness bows to him, and I can hear the roar of the heavens as the space between where's thin, and I can feel the ground shake beneath us as the prison walls cave in. Nothing stands between us. Nothing stands between. There is another in the fire standing next to me. There is another in the waters holding back the seas. And should I ever need reminded how good you've been to me, I count the joy come every battle, 'cause I know that's where you'll be. I count the joy come every battle, 'cause I know that's where you'll be. I count the joy come every battle, 'cause I know that's where you'll be.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed that cover of Another in the Fire by Hillsong. If you saw me using some chords that you didn't recognize, that's because this is an advanced guitar cover and I'm using advanced guitar chords. And if you don't know any of those advanced guitar chords, that's okay. I want to help you. There's a link in the description below to 25 advanced guitar chords. It's a free PDF where I will show you some of these advanced guitar chords, just like the ones that I used in this cover. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me today. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.